check out that Walkthrough Wednesday post I just made. All right, we at one of the investment properties in Newark. This is a 2-family. This came out really nice. We started working on this in the summertime a couple of months ago. We're pretty much done. Final inspections will be complete this week, and we better get some tenants in here. Let me just take you on a quick tour, show you the apartments and what they look like. So this is a 2-family. We have a spacious 1-bedroom on the first floor. These guys did a really nice job in here. Wow, so see the before and after pictures. So we have a den, front room, dining room, kitchen, pantry, bathroom. Bathroom is really nice. Here. This kitchen is really nice. So it's a small kitchen, but big enough for one person. Look at this. We was able to keep the original, does this work? Oh, I don't want to break it. But this is the original ironing board thingy that comes down. You can iron your clothes. I think that's really cool. And then here, we have the master bedroom for the bachelor. The closet here, and this is like, it's another walk-in closet. I wish I could have made this into a bedroom, but unfortunately it comes off of another room, so the bachelor or bachelorette would have a nice large walk-in closet. So this is a spacious 1-bedroom. In fact, this unit is already rented. We're just waiting for final inspections, building inspections, so we can get this thing going. I'll show you the second floor. This came out really nice also. The second floor apartment. This is 3 bedrooms. Same layout as the first floor. We have a den up front, which actually leads into the bedrooms upstairs. So we'll come back down, start with that. So this is nice. Here we have 2 spacious bedrooms. This is one. Nice hardwood floors. 2. Let's see. Here we have the front room, dining room, same layout as downstairs. Kitchen, pantry, bathroom. Very nice. Not the lights. And we have the master bedroom here on the first floor. And we have the back hallway. We did the back hallway as well. So this is a 3-bedroom. Get about $1,500 for this. Downstairs is a 1-bedroom that's rented for $1,100. So we had a nice $2,600 a month income on this unit. And this is beautiful. So see you guys at the next property. I'm going to show you guys a 3-family that's all 2 bedrooms that we just completed. Same situation, got it ready for rent.